I was sent this pool skimmer basket and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here it goes. Here's what you're going to have sent to you. It's going to come very carefully bubble wrapped with a lot of tape to protect this in shipment. This is a really well-made skimmer basket. It's a rectangular shape and it has a handle here on the top. So you can grab it, pull it out of the pool, and then clean out any debris that's gotten caught in there from your skimmer system or from your filter itself. The dimensions on this, take a look. It is coming in at, from edge to edge, about 6 inches on the long end, and then about 5 1/4 on the short. So the inside of this, it's a little bit tapered. You can see how it fits like that. You're gonna wanna make sure this is the right size for your pool. As far as depth down into the system, it's about 6 inches tall. So that's the dimensions on this basket. Let's talk about the plastics. Plastics on this, pretty good, because you're gonna feel that there's a little bit of flex to it. You can kind of see that right there. That this is not going to start out very brittle, and it's going to hold up to the chemicals in your pool over time. So this is going to last you for quite a while to keep the skimming system or filter system in your pool working well. So you can be able to catch all the leaves, catch all those bugs, and then just scoop them right out. So hey, I hope this video was helpful to learn a little bit more about this pool skimmer basket. Make sure you do your measurements, make sure it fits. Hope that helps. Have a great day.